Good morning, everyone. So today I have an interesting idea. So you know how people really like to make what I eat in a day videos. And there are also like 1,000 videos out there about van conversions. Well, today I decided that I'm going to mix both together so that you could get a little bit of both. I mean, why not, right? First and foremost, when I wake up in the morning, I usually have coffee or tea. Recently, I've been on a pretty big tea kick. So, I usually double bag some English breakfast tea with a little bit of coconut sugar and some almond milk. And that's what I usually have right when I wake up. Alright, so now that I've had my tea, I'm feeling really caffeinated. That's why I like to double bag my tea in the morning. But we are here at Home Depot now, and we are about to install my mom's fan in really hot weather. So we'll see how this goes. How are you feeling today?
Super excited.
Yay!
This fan is massive.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Will you pull it out for us?
Yes.
Lady is not with us right now. She is in cool AC.
Yeah.
Lucky her. But you will meet her soon.
That should fit. You know what I was thinking? I'm gonna buy the solar panels next.
Hell yeah. Okay. So there are things here that you need to mount your fan. We went in and got this plumber's putty because it's great to have a waterproof seal between your two surfaces. In the past, I've used like strips of this stuff and it's a little harder, but we couldn't find it. But if you're putting a fan on and if you can find plumber's putty that comes in strips, it's so useful, I promise you. So other than that, you need this to shave down your ends. And then you apply this rust-proof stuff, enamel, and then you want a marker to mark everything, a measuring tape just in case, so that you can make sure that it's the right dimensions before you cut it, and then various things to cut the hole open. This is my second time doing it, and I think we're going to use this to make our initial hole. And then caulking and your jigsaw and your fan.
And your screws.
And your screws. And your friend.
Yay! Push your booty up.
I got it. I climbed.
My daughter is so wonderful.
Okay, wait. But I have to remember. If you do the inside or. Hell yeah, okay. This is how I did it before. So it says, another time I remove it, always. Okay. Alright, and then we gotta,
Do the inside.
we should maybe measure it to make sure it's exactly 14 inches by 14.
Yes.
Like double measure
Let me get
everything.
This right here is the best daughter / ever. Look at that cute, handsome doggy. He's a van building dog.
Okay.
William the van building dog.
Freaking A, I'm so nervous. Alright, my hands are sweaty. Okay, it's just a hole, right?
It's just a
hole.
And you got the measurement right.
We measured it,
Yeah, we double measured it.
double measured it.
Yeah, not much more we can do.
Okay.
I mean, at least, and you've already measured the,
And we know
Yeah,
that
there's
it's
not
gonna
more.
be where it's supposed to be.
yeah, not really more than we can do.
I mean, I've done this before, right? It's fine. This is fine. Guys, it's gone. No more. There's a hole in the roof. There's a big hole.
Yay!
Right after much having to drill and make a lot of noise here at Home Depot, this thing's in. Oh yeah, there's a little blood, so my mom can have my blood.
No tears yet.
No tears. So we're taking a break after that, and the second thing I am consuming today is water, but I really should eat something because I got this new water pack for hiking and stuff, so I could just drink water all the time. WD-40, yeah.
Much better. It still like sticks a little, I think. Well, I'm just gonna WD-40 this track too.
You don't
Like a frying pan. Oh, that's
much better?
better. Yeah, I think once it gets into.
All right, so I'm eating half a peach right now and some rice crackers. Yep. Don't make fun of my diet, guys. Okay, so the next step of this process is to cover all of the exposed metal. Like, you could shave down the edges to be perfect, but but you definitely want to add some rust-proof paint just for the exposed edges. Like, in the case that you end up, there is a leak, you don't want, and you don't know about it for a couple of years, like, you don't want that to start rusting out. So that's just an extra precaution.
That would be
Labor of
very-
love for your home.
Yes.
So this is the putty stuff that we got. I think I showed you guys before, but what you do, if it was in strips, it would be a lot easier. But it's kind of nice because you can form it, you know?
And it's
And
not
then
like
you just fill in the little dents, just extra waterproofing. Yeah. It's like being a kid.
good lighting.
Oh, it's in place now. Dun 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 dun. Made sure to put a little putty on all of the little screws and screw heads and all right, she's gonna take off the plastic. Oh, so satisfying.
Right? I'd like to take it off in one strip, but I'm at a weird angle. Yay! Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Max
Oh,
fan. Last
yes.
moment in time, it'll be brand new and dust
perfect. Oh, yeah, that's just fun. Wow. Hey guys, I'm gonna be honest here and say it is 10 p.m. right now, and yeah, I still have not cooked very much today. Thought I was gonna do it, but because we were working on the fan today, I lost a large part of my day working on that. It's 10 o'clock now, but I am going to cook something. I haven't really eaten very much today just because it's been so hot, and for some reason I'm not very hungry when I'm hot, so I've just been like snacking here and there. But I am going to cook a real meal now. You know, I'm actually not that upset that I haven't cooked, because this can show you guys the reality of a really busy day in the van and working on a conversion. You forget to, I don't forget to eat, I just get so busy that I don't eat, and then when it's hot like this, I don't want to eat either, so it's like, it's pretty bad. Let's see what I got in my fridge that we can cook today. Got some spinach, probably should eat some of that. I got a jalapeno, heck yeah. I got these vegan sausage links, maybe I'll cook up one of those. And, ooh, an avocado, some onions. Hell yeah, good ingredients in here. Yeah, I think we'll see if I can make something with that. Oh, can't go wrong with some garlic. So my plan was to cook curry lentils tonight, but the lentils are gonna take like 30 minutes. We're just gonna like whip up something with all the random ingredients I have in my fridge. Yeah, this is just the reality of life, I think, for people even not in vans. Like, you come home and you're like, I'm tired, I don't know what I want to make, so you just whip something up. And I feel like I have confidence in my cooking that I have never had before for some reason in this van, where I just can like whip up anything. So here we go. Let's see if this turns out good. I'm using this spatula I got for the first time. I didn't have a spatula before, and that was funny. one thing I like to do when I buy packets of like lettuce or spinach or arugula is to always make sure I get thoroughly washed. It's just an easier way to save on water, and if you're lazy like me, it's very, very useful. William, you can't eat it. It's mine. It's my food. So this is what I came up with. Some spinach with some avocado and some onion on it. I'm not super hungry, so I'm just gonna go with that. This guy wants my food so bad though. Oh, and I also added a little bit of fresh jalapeno. I love fresh jalapeno. I wouldn't say that I am vegan or really even vegetarian, but I tend to eat a very plant-based diet, and like I don't really eat meat that often. I mean, although there have been times in like the past few months where I have tried something with meat in it, but I don't like seek out meat, and I definitely don't want to cook meat in the van. I just feel like the smell, or like fish, I feel like it's just too pungent of a smell to have in here, so wouldn't do that. Yeah, and I haven't really had meat in like the past, like 8 years, so can't really say I'm a meat eater, but you can't really say I'm a vegan either. So, oh, and I don't consume dairy other than eggs. So I don't know what my diet is, but you know, everybody has their things and whatever works for them, and if you can cut down on the amount of resources you use by eating less meat, then that's awesome. So, but I don't judge you. I don't judge people who eat meat. Just do you. So I have this weird habit of like using my phone a lot when I eat, but recently I've been getting more into doing Duolingo while I eat my food. I don't know, it's like a healthy alternative to social media, I think. It's not bad, guys. It's like, it's got flavor, that's for sure.
Lo siento. Es martes.
No,
Martes.
lunes. So I'm done cooking and eating now, and I'm going to clean up the van. Look at my mess. But while I was eating, I thought of a tip that I don't know if it's useful to y'all, but when you're in a small space, a good way of cleaning up is like categorizing everything. And like what I do is I usually put all of the like fridge food away first, and then I gather all the dishes, put them in the sink, and then I put away my oven, and then I also, another category is trash. So I like go around and make sure I have all of the trash and I put it in my trash bin. So I don't know, it just is one way of like looking at the mess and getting it done faster. Yeah, that's the Capricorn in my chart. Hey, so that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my mom and I struggle through putting a fan on her van, and as well as seeing a little bit of the food that I tend to eat in the van. So thanks for watching, you guys. I'm so sleepy. See you next week.